Alright, so today we're doing another product review. This is called Fusia Asian Inspirations. It's a sweet and sour stir fry.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Aldi's Fusia Sweet and Sour Stir Fry. The entire container is 420 calories, 91 grams in carbs, 0 fat, and 7 grams of protein.
And it says here it's a delicious blend of premium vegetables with a sweet and tangy sauce. The sauce it has sugar, snap peas, carrots, pineapple, red bell peppers sauce. The sauce has got sugar, more sugar, apple cider vinegar, water, pineapple, juice concentrate, soy sauce, water, soybean, wheat, and salt. It also has the whole package and has modified cornstarch, tomato paste, more salt, soybean, not more salt, soybean oil, yeast extract, onion powder, and it contains soy and wheat. This is distributed by Aldi, so you can get the advantage of Aldi's is that they have a double guarantee product here. If you were ever to bring this in, you buy it at Aldi's and it's horrible tasting or it tastes like mud or whatever, you bring it back with your receipt. Not only will they buy this back, but they'll give you one extra or something else. Okay, we're going to show you the ingredients of the bag. That's why I've got this plate here. This is the bag. So tonight's dinner is called Sweet and Sour Stir Fry by Fusia. Okay, now they want you to use it frozen. So this has been, now this is, I'm sure it's delicious because this is sweet and sour, but we are not using this entire bag. What we're going to do is cut half of it. And again, there's an expiration date and it's just fine. This one here is December 13th, 2019. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into a strainer and get the ice out. It's been in my refrigerator for quite a while and I've been trying to come up with a way to be able to show you how delicious this is and how I do it. Alright, now they want you to cook it when it's frozen. It says here the cooking instructions are in a large pan or wok. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat until hot. Add vegetables, cook, cover, and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add thawed sauce package to the pan or wok. Cook uncovered for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until vegetables are cooked. Stir and serve. Now what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our wok. Now we're going to use half of this, so I'm basically just going to cut it in half. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is pour the large pan. Now you all know that I use cast iron pans, but this, I don't have any cast iron pans that are as big as a wok. So this is my largest non-stick pans, which I added oil to. Of course, I used the extra virgin olive oil from Sam's Club Members Mark, and this container is 2 liters or 68 fluid ounces. I'm going to turn on the heat on high. Top on top. It doesn't take long for these pans. It's not like a cast iron pan where you have to wait for it. It's going to be hot quick. So it's hot now. So what am I doing next? I'm taking the vegetables and I'm putting it in. You can tell it's hot because it's making that noise. And I'm starting my timer, just so you see it. There's the timer. And I'm using a plastic utensil so that I don't damage the silicone top. So we're going to let it sit there for a few minutes and then we'll start moving it around. Now you're supposed to cover this thing, and I don't have a glass pan that'll work perfectly. So I'm going to cover it with my pizza pan that I usually always have on hand whenever I want to cook something fast in the oven. So we're at 3.5 minutes. We're at 2 minutes and 34 seconds. So what we're at, we're almost at the time's up. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this bag in half like I said. It's good. You just don't need all that sugar. Take this off. 2. Okay, kick this thing off. That's 4 minutes. Then we put the package in. And now we just mix it in. But this is like a quick dinner, stuff you can have with your family. You're using common sense. That's what you're doing. Now this doesn't say vegan, but I didn't read any milk in there or animal byproducts. It does have some preservatives, and I think these were flash frozen. They look a lot like my winter vegetables. Alright, it's ready to eat. So that means it's ready to eat. Now, this entire dinner was made in 10 minutes. Pour yourself a nice big serving. I'm going to eat all this. So this right here is 5 servings at 90 calories. That'd be 450 calories. It would and that would be with after sugar. This is a delicious meal that you can make very quickly using this product. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.